Ever find yourself asking, am I doing everything just right with my contact lenses for the sake of my eye health? Get ready to uncover the secrets of perfect lens care. It's time to explore the do's and don'ts of contact lenses. Let's kick it off with the do's. Do wash your hands thoroughly before touching your lenses. Clean hands mean healthy eyes. Do ensure your lenses are well hydrated with the appropriate solution. Dry lenses can lead to discomfort. Make sure to stick to your eye doctor's suggested wearing schedule. It's like a carefully curated playlist for your eyes. And now, the don'ts. Don't expose your lenses to water while swimming or showering. Water and lenses don't mix. Don't sleep in your lenses, even if they're overnight ones. Give your eyes the rest they deserve. Don't reuse contact lens solution or top off the solution in your lens case. Happy eyes need not be costly. Experience affordability and comfort with Aqualens. Give your eyes the care they deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more eye care tips.